Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. Friends, in this tutorial, I will show how can we remove Get Genuine Office related notification from any MS Office program. This is a common problem in Office programs, and you can see, after opening any file, action needed, Get Genuine Office, that you may be a victim of software counterfeiting. Let's try to solve this.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Method 1. You can see, when I open an Excel file, then a message show, there's a problem with your Office license. We can see also another pop-up notification about actions needed, your license is not genuine. Let's try to follow method 1. Now, click File on the top left and select Options at the end of the left menu. A dialog box is open. Now click on Privacy Settings from the General tab. Find Optional Connected Experiences and Uncheck Enable Optional Connected Experiences and click OK. After this, close or restart the Microsoft Office program and open a file again. I hope your problem will be solved. Method 2. See my video description box for 2 commands to resolve this issue. Copy first command. After this, open CMD as administrator from the search box. Now, paste the first command and press enter. After this, copy the second command from my video description box and paste it again into CMD. After paste, press enter, and your Office package is start to update automatically. Update complete. You need a few minutes time to update automatically. Click on Close, and let's check by opening any Word or Excel file. You can see, Get the Genuine Office, or MS Office license related message, was removed, and my problem is solved. Now, click on the file, and go to Accounts. After this, click Office Updates, and disable the Updates option. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.